PSD community it's unreal. It's family. I can come here and feel comfortable, and and it's one big family here at PSD.
It's just like an extended family here. You're cleaning, but you're having fun. That's the way I feel. I don't know, this building is more than just a building. It's the people who are in it that make this place a great place to be in.
I just enjoy that camaraderie of working with the other bus drivers. Everybody's got their backstory of where they came from, what they're doing. It's kind of nice to get to know the people.
So you're constantly going, and it's having those moments to share with the people that you work with. Walking past in the hall, hey, this or that. Having that is that break from the nonstop that we see all day long.